Did you know that DNS is one of the most exploited vulnerabilities in the digital world? If your DNS is not secure, your business is at risk. Let's fix that. Hi, I am Pedro Ribeiro, DevRel here at Azion, and today we're diving into something that's often overlooked, but absolutely critical. DNS. Oh no, it's not just a domain name system. It's the backbone of the internet. Every connection your business depends on starts here. But here's the problem. DNS is also one of the most targeted and exploited vulnerabilities in the digital world. Cybercriminals know this, and they're using it to disrupt business like yours. But don't worry, today I'll show you how Azion's Edge DNS can not only protect your business, but also improve your performance. By the end of this video, you will understand why DNS is not just DNS. It's your first line of defense and a critical part of your digital strategy. First, let's talk about traditional DNS systems. They're usually vulnerable to a range of attacks: DNS flooding, tunneling, poisoning, and hijacking. These are just technical terms. They represent real threats that can lead to downtime, data breaches, and ultimately a loss of customer trust. For example, DNS hijacking occurs when attackers redirect your DNS queries to malicious servers, leading users to fraudulent websites. Imagine that somebody gets to your website and then they are redirected to another. DNS flooding, on the other hand, overwhelms your DNS servers with massive volume of requests, causing service outages. And DNS tunneling, it's a sneaky method where attackers use DNS queries to exfiltrate sensitive data from your network. Think about it. If your DNS goes down, your entire digital presence goes down with it. Customers cannot access your website, your apps stop working, and your brand takes a hit. But what if there is a way to make your DNS faster, more reliable, and of course, more secure? That's exactly what Azion's Edge DNS is designed to do. Now, imagine this scenario. Your customers are trying to access your website during a DDoS attack targeting your DNS. They're met with delays, or worse, a complete outage. This is not just a technical issue, it's a business risk. Every second of downtime costs you revenue, damages your reputation, and frustrates your customers. And here's the kicker. These attacks are becoming more and more frequent and more sophisticated. So how do you stay ahead? Let me tell you about Azion's Edge DNS. Built on a distributed infrastructure, it's designed to handle massive traffic and mitigate attacks. Here's how it works. First, it uses DNSSEC to protect against DNS tunneling, poisoning, and hijacking by authenticating responses with a chain of trust. Second, it offers weighted policies, allowing you to load balance traffic intelligently. And third, it supports ANAME records, giving you flexibility to use naked domains seamlessly with other Azion products. This is not just a DNS solution, it's a performance and security powerhouse. So first, you log into the Azion console. And if you still don't have the account, create your account today. It's free. Use the link here in the description. After you have done that, to create your DNS records, very simple. Go to the menu on the left, and under Secure, you're going to find Edge DNS. Here we have no DNS zones yet, so we're going to create our first DNS zone. Click Add Zone. So after clicking Create, just give it a name. I'm going to give it a very creative name. It's going to be My DNS. Then create a domain name. Then provide the domain name you want to host. So it's going to be mydomain.com and enable DNSSEC. You're going to have your key tag, algorithm, digest type, and digest created just for you. But don't worry, they're not here now because you have to activate them first by clicking Active and clicking Save. Your DNS zone has been created. So once you click here to check it, you have the name servers, the key tag, algorithm, digest type, and digest. Free to use. Now that you have created your DNS zone, go to your domain registration and point your name servers to Azion. With Azion's Edge DNS, you are not just resolving domains, you're ensuring your business stays online, secure, and fast. What do you get with that, you must be asking? So you can get protection against the most common DNS attacks, a distributed infrastructure for high availability, and advanced features like weighted policies and ANAME records for flexibility. In short, you are turning your DNS from a vulnerability into a competitive advantage. Don't let your DNS be the weak link in your digital strategy. With Azion's Edge DNS, you can protect your business, improve performance, and deliver the best experience for your customers. Ready to get started? I left a link with the full documentation here in the description, and create your free account today. Link is also here in the description. You receive $300 to use as you wish, no credit card required. Well, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.